Hello everyone, my crafting friends and family. Okay, so today I'm going to be making my very own DIY tumbler holder or mug holder. Okay, now I know I probably could have gone ahead and buy this, but you know how we crafters go. We prefer to spend $50 making something when we get to go on and probably purchase it for $15. So it is what it is. Anyway, so let's go with the materials. So we're going to need some pool noodle, and these pool noodles are cut down to 11 inches tall. Okay, we're going to also need some PVC pipe. All right, and you're going to need a ½ inch. This is the size of it in the center. A ½ inch PVC pipe cut down to 12 inches. Okay, so this is 12 inches, and you're going to need two of these. You're going to also need, again, a ½ inch pipe, right? Cut down to 3 inches tall. And you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these bad boys. Okay? Then you're going to need two I don't know what they call these. They call these elbows. Elbows. Like an elbow. See? Does it look like an elbow? Yeah. 2 elbows. And then you're going to need 2 3-way. Now, I know for you guys out there who is a plumber, y'all can probably tell me I calling the wrong name. This is not a T. This is a 3-way. Okay? So, for those who have the correct name, I'm not a plumber. Don't knock me over my head for it. Please let me know what it's called. All right. So, let's start putting it together. So, we're going to grab our 2 12-inch. And we're going to grab the elbow, and we're going to stick the elbow on one of the 12-inch and make sure it's facing inward. And then we're going to stick the next one on the other one. All right, so let's go. So now they're going to be like they're facing each other, right? So now we're going to take one of those 3 inches pipes, and we're going to join these two together. Boom. All right, and then you could just make sure adjust it at this point, because I tried doing this before and I didn't adjust it properly, and so it was a little wobbly, but that's okay because you could always come right back here and just adjust it. Now we're going to take our pool noodle, which is cut down to 11 inches, and we're going to just juke it right on there and juke the other one on there. So we should have something that looks like this. Now we're going to take our 3-way, and we're going to make sure that one part of the 3-way goes onto the pipe and then facing inward, and then the other part is going down. So it's going to look, I hope I'm doing this right, something like that. All right, and then you want to put it on, make sure it's nice and tight. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Make sure it's facing. Okay. So these two parts are facing each other, and these two are going downward, right? So this is how it look from the front. This is how it look from, I guess that'll be the back. Then we're going to make sure they're down good. And then we're going to take another 3-inch PCV pipe and place it between these two to put these two together. Right? We're going to make them fall in love. Okay, so you know what? The funny thing is, what if you want to leave it at this junction? You could, because I think it still works out, right? But we're going to add some legs on it to elevate it a little bit. And I'm just going to take that next 3-inch PVC and push it in that one. And then push it in there. And voila, we're done. So I'm going to rest it down, and I'm going to test it. Remember, I was telling you, if it's not fixed properly, you could always adjust it. I think I did it too much. All right, so you guys got to keep on playing with it until it's adjusted to your liking. And the good thing is, these are, there you go. And now look. I love it, and it's pink. So you can just rest it down now, okay? And you can take your tumbler and you can rest it in here. And see, it fits nice and snug. And you can go ahead and you can start putting your design on it. It's a little bit elevated. Let me see if I can take the camera back so you can see even better. Right? Let's see. That's that. Okay, and see how it's elevated? So it's like at a slant. I love it. And then if not only can you use your tumbler, but you could also do your mug. So we just set that right in there. Look at that. Look at that. And now you can put your sublimation on, or your vinyl, or whatever, paint, or your diamonds. And guess what? It's done. Now, I don't know how much this is going to cost. It all depends on what store you go to or whatever. All of this came to me like about $15 or whatever. And I don't know, maybe because of the store I went to Home Depot. But maybe if you go to a different store, maybe a plumbing store, you might be able to get some of these fixtures and stuff a little bit cheaper. But I like it because I made it. And anything I make, I don't mind. So I love it. Let me know if you love it too. Have a blessed day.